Yellowstone National Park, a land of dramatic geysers and vast wilderness. While Old Faithful draws millions, a world of quieter, equally fascinating geothermal features lies waiting to be discovered. Join us as we unveil the hidden beauty of America's first national park, exploring the lesser-known geothermal wonders that make Yellowstone a treasure trove of natural marvels. As you wander along the boardwalk that winds its way through the various terraces and pools, you'll find yourself captivated by the delicate beauty of these miniature worlds. From the iconic lower and upper geyser basins to the lesser-known Black Sand Basin, each spring tells a unique story of Yellowstone's geothermal prowess. In the Norris Geyser Basin, marvel at the porcelain basin with its creamy white terraces, or witness the vibrant hues of the Emerald Pool. Further along, the Black Sand Basin beckons with its dark sand and jet-black spring, a stark contrast to the colorful pools elsewhere in the park. But it's not just about the colors. Yellowstone's hot springs are home to a variety of shapes, textures, and sizes. From the vast expanse of the Great Fountain to the intricate patterns of the Opal Pool, there's a sense of constant movement and change. Bubbles rise lazily to the surface, creating ever-shifting mosaics of foam and color. The clear, steaming waters offer glimpses into the depths, revealing the interplay of heat, water, and rock. And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the landscape, the hot springs take on a magical quality, their colors intensified by the fading light. But it's important to remember that while these springs are captivating to behold, they are also part of a fragile ecosystem. The thermophilic bacteria that create the vibrant colors are delicate organisms that require careful respect. Staying on the designated boardwalks and following park guidelines helps preserve these fragile habitats for generations to come. So as you embark on your journey to Yellowstone, don't forget to bring along a sense of wonder and respect. Be prepared to be mesmerized by the colors and intrigued by the science that creates them. Yet Yellowstone's geothermal wonders extend far beyond the realm of hot springs. Hidden amidst the park's sprawling wilderness are fumaroles, silent sentinels that exhale steam from the Earth's depths. Picture this: mist rising through ancient forests, weaving an ethereal veil between the towering trees. These are the fumaroles of Yellowstone, vents in the Earth's crust that release steam and volcanic gases without the dramatic eruption of a geyser. Each fumarole is a unique geological feature, shaped by the movement of tectonic plates and the composition of the rocks through which the steam escapes. Some fumaroles are tucked away in quiet corners of the park, while others, like the Dragon's Mouth Spring near Black Sand Basin, add a touch of whimsy to the geothermal landscape. While the hot springs teem with life in their warm embrace, the fumaroles, with their cooler temperatures, offer a different kind of habitat. Different types of bacteria and other microorganisms find their home here, contributing to the park's rich biodiversity. Imagine standing at the edge of a small crater, watching as mud bubbles and gurgles seemingly from nowhere. This is the enigmatic world of Yellowstone's mud pots, also known as mud volcanoes. These features may not erupt like their volcanic counterparts, but they offer their own brand of geothermal excitement. The mud pots are created by the interaction of heated groundwater with the surrounding volcanic ash and mud, resulting in thick, sticky mud that bubbles and boils. They're often found in areas with a high concentration of sulfur, such as Black Sand Basin and the Fountain Paint Pot area near Old Faithful. The various colors of the mud, ranging from ochre to deep brown, are due to the presence of iron and other minerals. The gurgling and bubbling sounds create an otherworldly atmosphere, as if the earth itself is breathing. Imagine hiking through dense forests, the air filled with the scent of pine and wildflowers, until suddenly you stumble upon a steaming creek bubbling over a bed of hot rocks or a secluded pool nestled amidst a carpet of moss. These hidden thermal areas are more than just scenic spots. They are windows into the dynamic forces that shape the park's landscape. From the secluded Fairy Falls Trail, which leads to a series of cascading waterfalls and thermal features, to the challenging hike to the Black Sand Basin. These off-the-beaten-track destinations reward exploration with solitude and serenity. As you venture further into Yellowstone's backcountry, you'll discover a different side of the park's geothermal wonders. By studying these features, scientists can better understand the movement of groundwater, the composition of the rock, and the immense energy that lies beneath Yellowstone's rugged terrain. However, it's crucial to remember that these pristine areas are also fragile ecosystems. To preserve their beauty, it's essential to follow park regulations, stay on designated trails, and pack out any trash. So if you're seeking an adventure beyond the crowds, consider exploring Yellowstone's backcountry thermal areas. With proper planning and respect for the environment, you can experience the park's geothermal wonders in a way that few others do. Yellowstone's geothermal features are not just scenic attractions or scientific wonders. They are home to a surprising array of life forms, many of which thrive in extreme conditions that would be lethal to most life. The hot springs and thermal areas are like hidden worlds teeming with microorganisms, fungi, and even some species of algae and bacteria. From the colorful thermophilic bacteria that give Yellowstone's hot springs their vibrant hues to the hardy fungi that grow near steaming vents, These organisms are a testament to the tenacity and adaptability of life. They play a crucial role in Yellowstone's ecosystem, forming the basis of food chains and contributing to the decomposition of organic matter. Exploring these hidden habitats allows scientists to study the limits of life and search for answers to fundamental questions about the origins of life on Earth. By understanding how extremophiles survive and thrive, researchers gain insight into the potential for life in other extreme environments, including those found on other planets or moons. Yellowstone's geothermal wonders, often overlooked amid the park's grander attractions, offer a glimpse into the unseen world of microorganisms that thrive in extreme conditions. They are a reminder that life finds a way to adapt and survive even in the most challenging environments. Preserving Yellowstone's geothermal treasures is a shared responsibility. As visitors and stewards of these natural wonders, we have the power to ensure that future generations can experience the magic of America's first national park. It's a call to action for all of us to do our part in protecting these fragile ecosystems. By staying on boardwalks, following park guidelines, and leaving no trace of our visit, we can help preserve the beauty and wonder of Yellowstone's geothermal wonders. So when you visit Yellowstone, remember that you're not just a tourist, you're a part of something bigger. Your actions, big and small, contribute to the legacy of this park that has captivated hearts for over a century. From the iconic eruptions of Old Faithful to the hidden gems of the backcountry, Yellowstone's geothermal wonders are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. They remind us that even in the most unexpected places, life finds a way to thrive, and that our planet's wonders never cease to amaze.